Hey everybody, so this video I'm going to show you how to install your Mac OS X on a USB drive or a USB thumb drive. So anyway, I got a USB hard drive, but the process should be similar. You just plug in your USB device. Okay, so then I'm going to turn it on. Meanwhile, I'm going to hold the recovery key. So hold those two keys, the command key and the recovery key. Okay, I'm hoping to launch in the recovery console. Okay, so let's give it a second. It's loading now. Okay, we put into this Mac OS utility interface. Basically, I call it a recovery mode anyway. So you can see a couple options: restore, reinstall, get help online, disk utility. So in order to get us to reinstall Mac OS on the USB drive here, we need to use the disk utility to prepare this disk. Okay, so we choose disk utility, continue, and we will see we have a couple disks. So be careful, don't delete the wrong disk. Okay, so I can see here I have this disk. So one is internal, one is external. So what we are trying to do is we need to prepare this external disk. Okay, so we can see there's multiple partitions here. Okay, and probably this hard drive was used by Windows. We can see HP tool recovery, so it's kind of typical Windows partition. So make sure you don't have any personal data there. So then we can, erase. Okay, let's see. Yeah, probably we can just choose erase. Let me see if we have any option to partition it at one time. Disk. Okay, I found another trick. On the view here, if we show all device, then we are able to choose this hard drive. Okay. So once we pick up this external USB drive, then we can choose erase. Okay. Let's give it a name, USB Mac OS, whatever you like. Then we can pick up the Mac file system. Then we can choose, if you have this maybe after 2010's MacBook, maybe you should choose GUID. So that's erase. Okay, so it's running. Formatting, give it a couple seconds. Okay, it's completed. So that's done. So USB Mac OS, the hard drive is ready. Okay, let's close it. So then we can choose reinstall Mac OS, continue. Okay, so continue. Recovery server could not be contacted. Yeah, I need to connect to my Wi-Fi first. So give me a second. Okay, I got my Wi-Fi connected here from here. So it's connected now, connected. So I'm going to try again. Reinstall, next. Okay, next. I guess at this moment you need to contact the Mac server. Let's give a couple seconds. Okay, now it's giving me this confirmation, agree, disagree. I guess we must agree. Okay, so now it's giving me the options which disk you want to install. So obviously we want to install it on the USB. Okay, so look at here, will be installed on this USB. Install. Okay, now you can have a break, and after about 10 to 15 minutes, you will have your Mac OS on USB drive. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I will have more video technology tips to share with you. Thank you.